Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Bright Star Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am, no.
Okay, our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree? Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you help me introduce yourself, please?
I'm Mary Grace Yap, 41 years old. Is that all,
Okay.
ma'am?
Are you single mother, single with live-in partner, or married?
Only single mother.
Single mother. When is your birthday?
June 29, 1983.
What about your height and your weight?
My height is 5'3". My weight is 90 kilos.
Okay, what about your religion?
Actually, ma'am, I was baptized in Jehovah's Witnesses, but I was disfellowed. I have no religion now.
Okay, you don't have any religion right now?
Yes, for 18 years.
Okay. What is your educational background? Are you elementary graduate, high school graduate?
High school graduate, ma'am.
Okay, how many children do you have?
Only two daughters.
Okay, how old? Ages?
They're 18 and 16.
Okay, so you mentioned that you are a single mother. What happened to your husband or the father
My
of
mother,
your children?
he died, ma'am, year 2019, 2019. He
Okay.
died.
Okay, so who will going to take care of these children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My parents, ma'am.
How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My father is 70. My mother is 67. No, my father has already retired, so he has his pension. My mother has a senior citizen.
Okay, so how many siblings do you have?
I have three. They're on the other place.
How many brother and sister and what is your rank in your family?
I am ma'am, a third child. I have one sister. She's working. My brother, one other sister working then.
Okay. So in your buy data, it was stated that you have a working experience in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for 5 years or 4 years?
4 years, ma'am, and 6 months.
4 years and 6 months, way back 2019 to 2024, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you finish your contract. Can you share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment in Saudi?
Ma'am, work, overall work, laundry,
Okay.
cooking, ironing, cleaning,
Okay. Did you take care of your children,
babysitting.
elderly, pets?
Oh, no pets, ma'am, no pets, only children.
How old are those children that you take care?
Uh, 13, 12, and 2 years old.
Okay, so what happened, Mary Grace, why you decided to go back home in the Philippines and didn't continue working to your previous employer in Saudi? Why you decided to work in other countries or why you decided to come here in
Uh,
Malaysia?
Actually, ma'am, I'm bored in Saudi Arabia. I don't have Wi-Fi. I don't have cell phone in Saudi Arabia. I don't have communication with my children. I don't have. Only, ma'am, only call once a month.
Okay,
I'm already bored for almost.
4 years. Ayun. Okay, so for 4 years, you only use your handphone once a month, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but you know our rules and regulations here in Malaysia, Mary Grace? You cannot hold your phone for the whole day because you are working. But rather than you can hold your phone during nighttime only, like 2 to 3 hours to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. Do you agree all these terms?
Yes, ma'am. In Saudi Arabia, ma'am, nighttime no cell phone.
Okay. So
Day and night no cell phone.
okay, good. So at least you are agree la with these terms, okay? During
Yes,
your
ma'am.
rest time also, you are not allowed to go out, okay? But you will going to stay inside the employer's house, and if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to pay your salary. Do you agree also?
Yes, ma'am. It's okay.
Okay. So, Grace, you already know what are those preference of of employers, okay? Because you've been working in Saudi for 4 years and 6 months, and you also know to yourself that you need to be flexible because being a domestic helper, I know that it is very tough. It is so hard. So, you need to be multitasking because there is no such a thing that you will just do house chores only, okay? If there is
Yes,
children
ma'am.
or any pets or any elderly inside the house, is you need to be initiative, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Oh, yes, yes, ma'am.
Can you take your baby?
Again?
Can you take your baby? Infant,
Yes,
newborn.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I can.
Sure? Ah?
Ma'am?
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I take care, madam. Ma'am, when I was in Saudi, after 2 years, my madam got pregnant.
Oh,
I
okay.
was the one taking care of the baby until 2 years old.
Okay, so that's great. So, can you also take your elderly people?
In Saudi, no, I don't have. I can, ma'am. I can.
So, can you cook?
Another I don't know, ma'am, Malaysian food. I can learn.
Okay, very good. So, can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
I can. I can.
Okay.
I'm a very woman. I can.
Okay. So, can you take your pets?
I love dogs and cats.
Okay, good.
I'm not scared of dogs.
Okay. So, why you decided to come here in Malaysia, Grace? Why you didn't choose to go in Singapore, Hong Kong, or maybe go back in Middle East like in Dubai? So, why did you choose to come here?
Actually, ma'am, I have a friend who introduced me in Malaysia. Malaysia, ma'am, they said that it's free. I don't have to I don't have ma'am, even though I'm from Saudi, I don't have money. I have lots of debts here. My family is still poor. So I chose a place that it's free.
Okay.
Like
So,
in Saudi,
you mean while working in Singapore or Hong Kong got placement fee, is it?
yes, ma'am, I don't have money, ma'am.
Okay. So, how do you handle your homesickness, Grace? Like, for example, of course, we worked for quite some time or quite long time ago in other countries, right? But still, homesickness will still strikes us. We feel sad, or how do you handle it?
By reading, by reading, ma'am, reading. Lots of, I always read.
Oh, if you feel like sad, you miss your family, you just read books, is it?
Oh, I sing. I always sing.
Okay, so Grace, always remind yourself that you have a 2 years contract. It's not 2 days, it's not 2 months, it's not two weeks, it's not 1 year. Once you breach your contract, you know what will be the consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Okay, any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please bring your good attitude also because this is not the Philippines. We need to humble ourselves. Any concerns, any problems, please directly inform your employer because you are the one who will going to work them for 2 years. Adjust yourselves and don't allow your employer to adjust themselves for you, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I know. I know.
Okay, so I think that's all for now, Grace. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because global ACE agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Ma'am, thank you,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much and have a good day, Grace. Bye.
Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.